Alright gang, this is Al from BoxBreakings.com. Happy Valentine's Day to you. I wanted to get this one done so you guys could have a nice evening, so I could have a nice evening with the wife on Valentine's Day. Got your size sheet up on the wall, tells you which teams you own in the order most teams own to least teams own for the number 1 2012 Prizm football box break. We did a case already. This is the first box that we're doing. Just a correction on the date. It is 2/14 obviously. And that's it. Let's do a quick time check here. Got 5/11, 5/12, February 14th. And here's your box of 2012 Panini football. So good luck. Let's open this thing up and see what you guys are going to take home. See if we can pull a gold out of here. Empty box, and here we go. Good luck. We have Holly, Bailey, Reed, Demaris Johnson, Harvin, and Willis. And Bolden, Woodson, Williams, Kirkpatrick, Davis, and Manning. Bryant, Turner. A nice Andrew Luck. That's going to be an SP Refractor. It's a nice little card right there for Indianapolis. Nice hit right there. I'll put that up on top. Blackmon, Jackson, and McFadden. Who's got Indy today? That's going to be Todd. Todd's got the big ones. Skins and Colts. Matthews, Stewart. And that's going to be Hillman, Whedon, Bradshaw. Whedon's gotten some part of the cardboard. Bradshaw and Barber. Gonzalez, Rogers, Pleslunsny, Vernon, Oliver Vernon, Griffin, and Brown. Ware. I see a redemption here. No, maybe not. White. And Doug Martin, SP rookie. Jones, Ponder, Crabtree. And Wayne, Little, Fitzgerald, Cox, Hayward Bay, Davis. And Fasano, Thomas, Flacco, Alfred Morris, Moss, Nix. Tulloch, Johnson, Avery, Pierce, Thomas, Amendola. And Jennings, Beeson. There's your auto right there. And that is going to be a Jarius Wright. I think that's going to be, is it going to be a, no, out of 299. I was thinking it was out of position, but it's not. It's right position. For Minnesota, Wright, Williams, and Moore. And Minnesota is going to be Trevor, Mathis, Watson, a Casey Hayward Refractor Auto, Martin, Garcone, and Palomalu. And Hillis, Carr, a Kendall Reyes is going to be the next auto out of 499 for the Chargers. Richardson, Roethlisberger, and Allen. Who's that going to be, the Chargers? That's going to be Neil. Neil's back in it with the Chargers. Jones, here comes your red. Sue, and we're going to have a Mike Martin rookie red. Agnew, Redmond, and Lloyd. And Stafford, Nelson, Carter, Reyes again, Fletcher, Wallace. Probably botching the name like crazy. Let me scoot these things over here. We're starting to pile it up. And attack the next half dozen packs. Got about 6 packs left. Dalton, Castle, Romo, Broyles, Hernandez, Holmes. Newton, Brown, Green Ellis, David, Flynn, Cook. Green, Charles, Austin, Cooper, Palmer, Arakpo. Skelton, Manning, Phillip Rivers, Refractor Brilliance. Tannehill, Branch, Miller, 2 packs left. Still a chance. Let's get a gold. Let's see some gold. Come on. And Jacquizz Rogers, Hester, Brilliance, Mike Wallace, the Michael James, Miller, and Long. Last pack. And we've got Freeney, Hawkins, and a Reggie White. Couples, JPP, and Harrison. James Harrison. All right, guys, there's your box. And nice little Andrew Luck SP refractor. Always nice. It's probably a pretty good value card. So, and then of course the 2 autographs. We got the Kendall Rays. I'm botching that name. I know that. And Jerry is right. So, all right, guys. Thanks for joining us. I do appreciate it. I'll get number 2 posted immediately. Going to be out for a couple of days. I got my funeral to attend to this weekend up in Rochester, New York. So I'll be flying up there tomorrow morning. Get back here Monday. So I'll be gone a couple of days from breaks, but they'll still be going strong. So thanks for joining this one. Do appreciate it, and we'll see you guys back here next week. Take care.